At a football game, along with threats being made on social media, has one Gwinnett County high school taken extra steps to protect students and teachers. Discovery High School says there is no evidence that the threats floating around are credible, but it is being investigated by local, state, and federal agencies referring to these threats. So there's going to be extra school resource officers on campus this morning. And the school is also asking parents to talk to your students about the dangers and the legal consequences of making these threats against the school. Now, this comes after things got out of hand at that same high school during a football game on Friday night. The principal says a massive group of students rushed toward the exit. Nobody was hurt, but fights broke out afterwards. So the school now says there's a video that's circulating where you could hear a popping sound. Well, police say that was fireworks and that no shots were fired.